How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be putting a new motor in this Foxbody Mustang. If you can't already tell when you start watching the video, this was filmed in late March, early April. We just hadn't had time to get it done. It's like late July right now. I'm working on this. But putting the motor in here, we've already made some passes on it. I'll add some videos of the passes we made testing it the week after. So let's get right into the video. So I had to cut some of this out because there was copyrighted music playing in the background. But basically, you see they're taking the motor back out because it was sitting on a bolt and they couldn't get it into the transmission. So they're taking the motor back out and putting it back in after they take the rack out. And they have to adjust a few things, but you'll see. Alright, so as you just saw, he took the rack back out of the car and we're putting the motor back in to see if this will fit this time. It's an all new motor in a car built for the previous motor, so it takes a little bit of adjusting, but we're going to put it back in now.
Break it up, then it's too much fit. Yeah. So we're gonna have to trim this off. We're gonna jack it up. I can take this here and cut this off here a little bit. Yeah. Jack it back up there. I got both. Hold on. The tie on that side there too, right? So really needs about a 1/4 inch off each side.
Yeah, she's real close.
Huh?
She's real close.
Yeah.
Get this bolt back out.
Just hold on 1 second. I'm gonna try to see if I can cut it anyway in the car without having to take it back out. I don't think so, because I think it's gonna be too.
You can get the angle. You know, clean it like that, can't you?
If I had that 4-wheel grinder, I could, but I ain't got that grinder no more, so it's gonna be too complicated on. Let's see here. Let's take it both back out.
You want me to take that pump off?
No big deal. Let's take it back out. I know what I need to do now. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it. Take it back out. I'm gonna cut off each side of it with a quarter bed.
All right.
motor's just it ain't gonna work. I take this rack here loose and let it fall down. I might wind up doing something with the bushings on this rack.
Okay.
Always something like this.
You signed up for it.
I ain't signed up for none of this mess.
Yeah, you did.
You did.
I didn't sign up for none of it either.
You signed up for all of it.
I signed up for making a video. I didn't sign up for working on it. I wouldn't know what to do to it anyway.
What?
You looking at me like I can put a motor in a car.
Struggle with it like we do.
I mean, y'all might be able to get in 5 tries. I might take me about 50.
Look at it.
Now, motor come down.
Finally straight now.
They're all in place, see?
I was right.
Come down a long ways. Come down a long ways. Yeah. Now you get all your football bolts in there. And all your tension bolts in there. All that.
Alright, we're getting the headers built and fitted and tacked in so they can be welded in to fit the new motor. We had to cut the collectors off because of the tailpipes. They're too long and we can't fit the starter in with it. So we had to cut it off so we can push everything back and work it around it.